Site installation instructions for electrical connections. Step 1. Identify and review electrical connections across shipping splits. During the assembly process, Stellar Energy installs the conduit, cable tray, and wiring specified by the project plans and details to allow for the required electrical and controls testing to be completed prior to shipment. After the successful completion of the electrical and controls checkouts, wiring that crosses shipping splits between adjoining modules or skids is pulled back, coiled, and appropriately protected for shipping purposes. In some instances, wiring may be removed entirely to facilitate safe transport to the job site. Step 2. Identify corresponding conduit and cable numbers across shipping splits. When conduits cross shipping splits between adjacent modules or skids, Stellar Energy will clearly label each component with an identification code corresponding to the applicable engineering cable schedule. Carefully review all of the electrical and controls plans, details, and schedules prior to commencing electrical installation activities on site. Step 3. Identifying shipping split materials. Wherever feasible, Stellar Energy will secure any transition sections of rigid conduit, cable tray, or flexible conduit to permanently installed components on either side of the nearest shipping split. These materials will be clearly marked to identify the location and orientation that they are required to be installed in for site assembly purposes. Materials that cannot be secured in such a manner will be provided with the loose ship components transported separately to site. Step 4. Routing and terminating loose shipped or temporarily disconnected cables. Stellar Energy Engineering may specify the use of junction boxes at shipping splits between adjacent modules or skids. If junction boxes are utilized, Stellar Energy Engineering will provide additional details and information regarding the cabling that is being routed through these areas, and all of the components and materials will be properly labeled for identification purposes. All electrical cables that were disconnected for shipping purposes will be pulled and terminated by the site contractor. After termination, all of the electrical and controls cables should be properly inspected and tested to verify that no damage occurred during the shipping or installation processes. Any deficiencies noted by the site contractor should be reported to the Stellar Energy project team for further action.